It begins with powder, engineered with precision, to create the ultimate modern car.
What if I placed just $50 worth of metal powder in your hand and told you that this ordinary-looking material could eventually become part of a modern car? It sounds impossible, but the secret isn't magic. It's materials science. But how can something that looks like dust become a strong automotive component? The answer begins with one of the most fascinating manufacturing technologies: powder metallurgy. This isn't the powder you find in a kitchen. These are engineered metal particles. Their size, shape, composition, and purity can be carefully controlled to give engineers the properties they need. First, the metal is converted into fine particles. Engineers select the right powder and carefully measure it before production begins. At this stage, every particle matters. The powder is then placed inside a precisely designed mold. Imagine filling a tiny container with thousands of microscopic metal grains, all waiting to be transformed. A powerful industrial press applies controlled pressure. The particles are squeezed tightly together until they form a compact shape resembling the component engineers want. But it's not finished yet. The compacted part enters a carefully controlled furnace. This is where something incredible happens. During a process called sintering, heat causes neighboring metal particles to bond together. The individual grains become a much stronger, interconnected structure. After cooling, the component can be machined, treated, or finished to achieve the required dimensions and performance. Modern inspection equipment checks it with incredible precision. Now comes the part most people never see. This tiny engineered component can be assembled with thousands of other parts inside a modern automobile. Steel forms major structures. Aluminum can reduce weight. Plastics, glass, electronics, rubber, composites, and specially processed metal components all work together. So did $50 of powder magically become an entire car? No. And that's what makes the story even more amazing. The powder became a precision component, and engineering transformed thousands of components into a sophisticated machine.